Assalamu alaikum children. The month of Ramadan is here. Yay, I'm so excited.
Me too. Yay!
Ramadan is a blessed month of the Islamic year. It is the month of collecting good deeds as much as possible. The reward of good deeds are multiplied in this month. But if we spend our time in leisure activities, then we will waste our precious time. So for achieving our Ramadan goals, we should not waste our time playing video games and watching TV. Playing too much outdoor and vigorous activities which may drain our energy for fasting and for observing prayers. Instead, we should utilize our time carefully. Helping parents around the house. Mama will help you.
Jazakallah khair.
Giving zakat and charity. Minimize the shopping times and try to maximize the time for good deeds. Do not eat too much in iftar and sahur. Try to eat a balanced diet to remain active and energetic all day. Be prepared for Laylatul Qadr. In Surah Al-Qadr, the importance of Laylatul Qadr is emphasized. It is a blessed night better than 1,000 months.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من 1000 شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر.
So we should spend our last 10 days of Ramadan more carefully. In the last 10 days of Ramadan, we should ask for forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should recite,
اللهم إنك عفو تحب العفو فاعف عنا.
أستغفر الله ربي من كل ذنب وأتوب إليه.
Ramadan